Now this is really great because all we do to calculate volume is we multiply the length by the width by the height. So whatever 3 values they give you, just multiply them up. So this becomes 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So this is 125. And it's always gonna, volume's always gonna be in units cubed, so centimeters cubed, and done. Next one, same deal. We've got 9 times 3 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, and it's gonna be in yards cubed, but they already got that for you. Just like that. And last but not least, 6 by 6 by 6. So this is 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6 again is 216.